Today we're gonna unbox and we're gonna test out. This is the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro. Now I have two large dogs. So the other reason why I got this is because I have 3 kids and the car is always messy. If you have kids, you're gonna find Cheetos, snacks, chips, dirt, whatever you think. See, we got lots of mess. These kids are messy. And then if we walk around here, look at this. I just remove all the car seat and stuff. So we're going to be cleaning this up. Big details, lightweight, only 2.8 pound. Clean, touch, dirt, eject. Look like we could get inside. Easy emptying out the dirt. You could even wash the filter. All my videos here, you guys need to find more details or find a price or where you could get this. Check in the description box below. So this thing will look really high tech right now. Definitely. Look at this, lightweight, baby, lightweight. Let's get everything out from the box. This is a 4-in-1 and we have the instruction, tells you every single thing you need to know. We have the Pet Pro Power Brush. So this is the brush is on the couch, which I'm going to show you guys in the couch. Oh, look at that. Hold on, better there. And this is for like corners, sealing, getting into those groove like the corner right there, which I'm going to show you, and their fast charger. I believe the battery could last anyway from 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm pretty sure we just so there's a groove in there. All right, oh, that was easy. And if we come here, we look in the bottom, this is to empty the bin. This is brand new to me, so we're gonna figure this out. Oh, so you pull this whole piece out. I wanted to show you. Oh, look, this is, I'm guessing this right here. Oh, this thing is so easy. And you got like some little filter stuff in there to clean. Close this back, and then you got right here, this is your filter piece. You could pull this out. Whoa. So you have a lot of you have a sponge and you have another filter. So these you gotta make sure you wash these filter. Depends how bad is the cleaning is, because if this is clogged up normally in a typical vacuum, it will give you problem. And you just put it back in. So let's make sure it's not noisy, and I want to make sure the most important part, it gets the job done. Let's put it on. So we got a little ear pushing back here. It's not that loud. And let's see. We're gonna go up close. All right, very good. My wife's gonna be really happy because I'm cleaning her car. Oh yeah. She's gonna be really happy that I bought this vacuum. Wow, so you could see the suction is definitely good so far, but I'm gonna go to the hard part. This is my nightmare. Right here. Oh baby, love this. I think I'm gonna keep this in my car. Wife's gonna probably fight me for this, but gonna have to get another one maybe. Let's see. So we just yank this out, and that we're gonna go on the couch and show you my inside. So you get a stopper right there, really nice. The bristle is nice and hard, not too hard. But let's see now. One push of a button. Faster. That's a lot of dirt. Has to get Clorox white, baby wipes. So you could go back and forth with the brush. The good thing with the brush will get this stuff that stucks in there. Look, like this. Nice. All right, so I come back in the back. I'm gonna finish out the trunk area right now, and I'll show you guys after how it looks. I wanted to show you guys real quick first though, if we have some dust right here, how we're gonna empty it. So if you come right here, you just push this button. Look at it right there. So you could go to your garbage can and just dump this out. You could always wash it out, wash the filter and air dry it. Let it air dry on your countertop or somewhere. So I finished the trunk and the battery had died. Only lasts for 15 minutes, but that was brand new, so I don't know. So I just charge it back up. But look at it. Pretty nice. Just need a good wiping, but all the dust is gone. Area here. Nice suction, man. Love this. Dogs are upstairs, and if you have cats or dog, beside our couch we have a giant bean bag, and the cats will come on here. And look, all that, see that all right there? So we're gonna try to get the hair out. This is the part right here. So we're gonna go. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, this is amazing. Holy smoke, all the hair. I used to use lint roll all the time, but it was a fortune. Oh, this is life, baby. I could get used to this now. If you have dogs and you have cats and you used to buy lint roller like me and you spend a lot of money and you're trying to clean your cushions and your patio and all over up real fast before you have people come over. If not, cat hair and dog hair will be all over the place. And when people come, it could be very embarrassing. This right here is next level. This piece right here is my favorite part. So we could get all of the cat hairs and all of the dog hairs out. And this, you can see all of them in there. If you have a long-haired dog like this, she's taking a nap, highly recommend this right here. This is for you, mama. She'll normally jump up on the couch and look at his tail. Look at all this fuzz. Look at all that right there. It's gonna be all over in the ground and couch and all over. So that's when this comes in handy. The other one, he's not that big shedder over here. He doesn't shed that much, but we could vacuum him. He'll probably chew this vacuum out. Oh, he thinks it's a toy. It's not a toy. All right, so final thought on this right here. I'm gonna tell you the battery keeps dying fast. I say it lasts within 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, it's dying out from me, but it's getting a lot done within that time. It's very lightweight, it's not loud, it's powerful. This is my favorite part right here because it's powerful enough, and however they design it, like right here, it sucks in and it pulls up the cat hair and the dog hair from the couch, beanbag, or wherever. So that's a big plus. We don't have to buy filter bags, so you're saving a lot of money. You could just empty this out and you can just wash it off. So the downfall is that it does take some time. You know, it's a smaller vacuum, so it does take a longer time to vacuum, and the battery dies out, 15, 20 minutes. But beside that, overall, it's super lightweight, it's affordable price, it works great. That's the key part right here. It works, it gets the job done. So if you're gonna look for a vacuum, a portable vacuum, cordless, and you wanna outside patio, inside, greenhouse, whatever you wanna vacuum, this right here will get the job done. Check in the description box for price and details, honest review. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming videos. Maybe there's a product you're gonna be interested in and I'm gonna be doing it. So any question, comment below, or check in the description box. I'll see you guys next time on Product Zone.